Welcome to the Guide in Your Pocket tutorial to setting up a fly line, where we'll cover all the connections from the fly reel to the fly. Not one, connecting the backing to the fly reel using the surgeon's loop. Over the past 20 years teaching fly fishing, I have used many knots, but have found this sequence of connections to be the simplest and strongest, irrespective of line type or leader material. What you'll need, in addition to your reel, your backing, your fly line, your leader, your tippet material and your fly, will be a pair of snips and a pair of artery forceps. So beginning with the connection from the reel to the backing, it's a very simple one, this first one. We're going to take the backing material here and we're going to tie into it what's called a surgeon's loop. We need to make this loop big enough so that the reel can pass through it. This will become evident a little later. So by taking the backing, folding it over, leaving 10 inches to a foot doubled over as such, you then make a loop round the back, putting it into your pinch. Then take this drop loop remaining, go over and through once and twice, like that. Then, holding the loop with your right hand and the tails with your left hand, slide this down till it snugs up into a tight little knot here. All that's left to do then is to take your clippers, expose the tail and clip it off close to the knot, making sure that when you do so you don't damage the rest of the line. So you've got a nice secure loop. Then, as you remove the spool, pass through. Most modern fly reels are made in this way, and back through. You can see that has now gone behind the aluminium there. You then pass the whole reel through and then draw it up onto the spool. Okay. Now put the reel back together, and all that's required is to reel the backing onto the spool, making sure that it sits nicely and evenly on the spool as you go.